Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. I'm Kevin Tate, and today I'm in Roxbury, Massachusetts, to return a Bunn Ultra 2 unit that we repaired, and I'm gonna return it back to the Popeyes restaurant. And I'm in a little bit of a parking situation here, so I had to find the best place to park. But I'm gonna have to use my lift table, my Genie lift, to get this unit moved and get it into the facility. So just stand by for a minute and give me a few moments. I'm gonna probably mute my mic so it's not a lot of extra noise. There's a lot of traffic out here and stuff. So I'm just gonna mute for a few minutes, and then we'll see what we get. Okay, got that lift table out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the lift table lifted up and move the unit onto my lift table, and then strap it down so I can make sure it doesn't fall off while I'm transporting it. Gotta get a good position here. Got the unit on. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down and then strap it in so that it's not bouncing around too much. So I'm gonna have to tilt it back to be able to roll it and everything. I mean, it's always nice to get a spot that has a parking lot, but in this area, it's not parked. The parking lot is not available. So I'll make do with what I got and make it work out. Give me a few seconds here. Get my straps, strap this thing down so it's not bouncing all over. Okay, that's good. At least I can get it lifted up and get it over the curve and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna get this up on the curb and try to transport this down the sidewalk so that we can get it into the location. So just excuse all the movement and stuff. All right, here we go. We'll give it a try. Okay, I got the unit on. That's the Genie lift right there. I used the Genie lift to get this onto the counter, or and transport it down the street. This unit had a refrigeration issue. We replaced the compressor on it and added refrigerant. Now I got it back set up. Now I'm just gonna go get a screwdriver so I could make sure that these side panels are tightened up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out this filter so it's clean. Yes, everyone, sorry about the cutoff there, but I ran into some technical difficulties. My microphone, my phone fell and my microphone broke, so I'm just finishing up here, dropping off that Ultra 2. Just wanted to let you know that everything's completed. It's all in place, and now I'm off to another call, so we'll see what we have there. And thanks for watching.
Sorry about the technical difficulties there, but these things happen. But, you know, I'll see you on the next call. All right. Thank you.